Hello everyone, welcome to Link Sensei channel. Today we shall discuss about paper 1 and pure math 1 with the code 9709-01 October November 2007. Okay, let us start directly to number 1. Number 1, determine the set of values the constant k for which the line y equals to 4x plus k does not intersection with the curve y equals to x squared. So for this, it say does not intersection. And then just to find the k. Of course, we can know this is about discriminant. So we have to equate this first. Y, so 4x plus k equals to x squared. And then we have to make become equals to 0. So everything move it to the right. So x squared minus 4x minus k equals to 0. So we got a equals to 1, b equals to minus 4, c equals to minus k. And then if we say does not intersection, so it means discriminant smaller than 0. So b squared minus 4ac smaller than 0. So b is minus 4, so it becomes 16 minus 4 times the a times c minus k smaller than 0. So we got 16 plus 4k smaller than 0. So 4k, remove the 16, become minus 16. And then k, remove the 4, this become d by so minus 4. So k is smaller than minus 4. So that is for number 1. For number 2, find the area region enclosed by the curve. This the x-axis and the line y equals to 1 and x equals to 4. So here we shall use integration to answer that. So integration directly with 1 until 4 to square root x. I will make it into indices x equals half dx. And then this will become this one. So 2 times x to the power 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. 1, 4. And then it will become 2, this 4. 4, put it into x. Then we square root it. We got 2 to the power 3, 8. 16. 16 times 2. 32. So 32 over 3. Minus with 1. We put 1 there and then that is 4 over 3. So we got 28 over 3. That is for the area. Okay, now we go to number 3. So for number 3, it says find the first 3 terms, the expansion of that. Ascending the power of u. So you have to be covered. Ascending means it start from the u the power 0, and then u the power 1, and then u the power. So okay, I will put the n, it is 5, n combination. And then the r, we just leave it first, and then this is 2, and then this is u. So u the power 0, so this is 0, this is 5, and then I will put here it is 0. So here I will get 5 combination 0. So, so it's 32. And then this I increase this, the value of r become 1, which is 2 the power. This 5 I decrease the level of power become 4. This is u to the power 1. So I will get this is 80 u. And then I will increase the r level again, 5c combination 2 the power. This is 3 the u. Then this will become 80 u squared. That is for the 3i. And then it asks us use a substitution this to find the coefficient of x squared in the expansion of this. Okay. So usually the it is related to the I. So okay, we want to get coefficient of x squared. So this is if I substitute the u with the x, this so got 80 times x plus x squared. And then this will have 80 times x plus x squared about. And then I think it is impossible already that we shall get x squared with the power of 3 later. So I will just use these two. For the coefficient of x squared, so we only have this 80 times with the x squared. So we shall get it is 80x squared. And then with this, for this one, I have to expand it first. So 80 times x squared plus with 2 times x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 4. So this is also 80x squared. So for this, I have to total this 80x squared and 80x squared. So it will become 160x squared plus 8. So the answer is 160. That is for the 3i. For number 4 is we have the first term is A, the difference is D. Write down the expression for the 5th term and the 16th term. This is arithmetic. So for the U5, we shall get the U1 is A plus 5 minus 1 times the difference. Or we can A plus 4D. For the 15th term, 15, A plus 15 minus 1, it is A plus 14D. That is for the I. And then the next one, the first term, the 5th term, and the 15th term of the are the first 3 terms of the arithmetic progression. So we have A and then A plus 4D. Then we have A plus 14D. Says arithmetic progression. So that 3A equals to 8D. So if we see this, we know this become this is also the ratio. Times with the ratio, this also times with the ratio. So the ratio, of course, is same. So I can write down A plus 4D over A equals to A plus 14D. A plus 4D. And then I do cross multiply with this. So I will get this is A plus 4D squared equals to A times A plus 14D. And then I will expand it. I will get A squared plus 8AD plus 16D squared equals to A squared plus 14AD. Everything I will move it to the left. So this will come on and then it should become minus 6 AD plus 16D squared. So 0. And then I will factorize the D minus 6A plus 16D equals to 0. The D is gone, so I will only have minus 6A plus 16D, so 0. and move the minus 6a become 16d equals to 6a. And then I will simplify everything divided by 2. So become 8d equals to 3a. So that is for the II. It asks us to find the common ratio of the geometric progression. Okay. So the ratio is a plus 4d over a. Okay, I will substitute this the 4d, so I will this everything also divided by 2 again, but 4d equals to 3 over a. So this 4d I will change it become 3 over 2a. So a plus 3 over a over a. So 2 over, so 5 over a over a. And then we can cross the a. Got answer 5 over 2. That is for the number 4. Now number 5. It asks you to show that the equation 3 this can be written in this, become cos. Okay, so we have 3 sine x tan x equals to 8. So remember, whenever you see trigonometry, it asks you to prove, so it's better to make everything come sine and cos. So tan is actually sine x over cos x. Okay. So this becomes 3 sine square x. This cos, I move it to the other side, become 8 cos x. And then it asks us, we have to make become cos. So this sine square become cos. So 3 times 1 minus cos square x equals to 8 cos x. So I expand it, become 3 minus 3 cos square x equals to 8 cos x. And then I have to make become equals to 0. So everything I move it to the right. So it will become 3 cos square x plus 8 cos x minus 3 equals to 0. So it's proof. And then the next, it asks you to solve the equation this. Usually, if it asks you to solve like that, the II and I, they are related each other. So for here, I will not start from the equation. I will change directly, start from this one. The one that it asks us to prove it. So from 3 cos square x plus 8 cos x minus 3 equals to 0. From here, I will factorize it. So 3. So I want to get solution. So 3 cos x minus 1 cos x is 3. So 0. And then here I will get this should be cos x equals to 1 over 3. Cos x equals to minus 3. Cos x equals to minus 3. So you have to know the minimum value of cos. It is minus 1. So if it is minus 3, so there is no solution, or we can say this is rejected. So we only have to solve this cos x equals to 1 over 3. So cos, so I got 70.5 degree. So x equals to 70.5 degree. And then I say until 360. So cos for the positive, this one over 3, it is in the quadrant 4 as well. So for find the angle in the quadrant 4 is 360 degree minus 70.5 degree. So 360 minus 70.5. So 289.5 degree. So the answer is 70.5 degree and 289.5 degree. So that is for number 5.